Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 8 ounces egg noodles, 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 celery stalks, 1 small red onion, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and seasonings. Cook 8 ounces of egg noodles until al dente, about 7 minutes. Drain and rinse noodles under cold water to stop cooking. Prepare 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, drained. Chop celery into 1/4-inch pieces and dice the red onion fine. Slice the hard-boiled eggs and set everything aside to cool before. In a large bowl, whisk the dressing first. Whisk 1 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons Dijon and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon sugar, and taste for balance. Fold noodles with tuna, 1/2 cup chopped celery, and 1/4 cup diced onion gently so noodles stay intact. Add the sliced eggs and toss lightly to distribute. Adjust acidity or salt if needed. You can add 1 tablespoon pickle relish or 1 teaspoon mustard for variation. Once mixed, cover the bowl and chill the salad at least 30 minutes before serving to let flavors meld. Taste again after chilling and add pepper or 1 teaspoon lemon juice if brightness is needed. Serve over a bed of lettuce or with crackers. Garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped parsley and a sprinkle of paprika for color. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days in the refrigerator. Re-stir gently before serving and do not freeze the salad because mayonnaise can separate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.